Hello guys, welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can delete your Apple ID. So to do that, all you need to do is just go ahead and open your browser. I'm going to be using Safari. So open your browser and all you need to do is go to this link that says privacy.apple.com, and after you go there, all you need to do is sign in to your Apple ID, and then you'll find this option that says manage your data. And now as you scroll down, you'll find these options that says temporarily deactivate your account or delete your account. So delete your account, all you need to do is just tap on this request to delete your account button, wait for it to load, and then you'll be shown these points that says what will happen if your account is deleted. So before deleting your account, you can make a copy of your data, you can sign out of all your devices, you can review your active subscriptions because they will be cancelled once your account is deleted. And you just need to type in your reason for deleting your account. This is permanent, so you just need to think it through carefully. And after that, guys, that's all you need to do. So after you select your reason, you can just tap on continue, and then all you need to do is wait for Apple to write you back. And guys, that's how you delete your account. If you found this video helpful, then please leave a like and drop a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.